don't need no pet tank. I am a pet tank.
Hey guys, it's Schaser, the Health Alchemist. Have you ever wanted to build functional strength while keeping your joints healthy and mobile? Well, let me introduce ADEX clubs. Steel clubs and maces originate from ancient Persia and were meant to build unrelenting strength in wrestlers and warriors. When swinging a club, it creates a rotational force called torque. This creates tractioning, which decompresses the body, allowing fresh blood and synovial fluid to enter back into the joints. ADEX clubs are adjustable in weight, heavy duty, and made in the USA. All basic movement patterns can be performed using steel clubs and maces, like squats, presses, swings, and even unconventional exercises, such as mills, casts, and strikes. So if you want to get stronger with steel clubs and maces, check out ADEX Clubs.